Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we will discuss one common issue. Actually, I want to import product from CSV file and add here. And this issue is coming. The WordPress file system could not be initialized. So today we will handle this. The WordPress file system could not be initialized issue. Before that, I want to introduce myself. I have 12-year experience in WordPress development, and if you want customization in your store or any changes in your store, then you can connect with me on 8287 660 or email id mr.sandeep@gmail.com. So now let's start. First, as we already search, like when we go at here and go to Google, then it is showing that this error indicates that WordPress is unable to access or write to file system, which can be due to incorrect folder permission. So first I am going at here and at here, then I am just doing 777 permission on my folder, and now checking again. But this WordPress file system could not be initiated. This error is coming again. So this is not issue of 777 permission or other, but it is some issue with file system. So for that, I get one define constant thing, fs method, and it is direct. So go to config file and at here, after that's all, stop editing, happy ending. So before that, you can just put this define fs method direct. So basically, if you search fs method, then you will get lots of thing about it. So basically this this method directly involve for without FTP, SSH, etc. So when I go at here and refresh, now it's working. Now I am importing all things. Now if you want to connect with me, you can connect on my website also, with my website also, and at here hire me, etc. at here, so you can also connect at here also. And let me know if you have any question or query. Thanks for watching.